Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to let you know that Stylevana has another Vana box that is now available. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, Stylevana just launched a new Vana box and they did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Stylevana literally can be your one-stop shopping for anything and everything that you need K-beauty and J-beauty related. Shopping with them, not only do they have very fast shipping and they take care of everything, they package everything so well, but you can shop, rest assured that everything is authentic and you're not going to have any issues with shopping with Stylevana. I will have them all linked down below. You can definitely go check them out. They have so many amazing products on their website available all the time. They have deals all the time, so you can always check back at any given time, see what's on sale, what the deep deals are, what's going on at the time. You can always check their site, and you can use my code INF10 SheCrafty, and that will save you 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout. So guaranteed at least 10. If you get over that threshold, I think it's over $50 or $60, it bumps it up to the 15% off. So that is absolutely amazing. Save some money, but they will be linked down below if you would like to go check them out. Plus this box and all of that will be in my description. So let's go ahead and get inside and see what is going to be in this new Vana box. For when they come in these really nice boxes, they're constructed so well. You can repurpose them, reuse them, put somebody's gift in here and wrap it, or use this for storage, that kind of thing. I just love the boxes, so I love to repurpose than to throw away. Look at how pretty that is. So it tells you the whole skincare routine from your AM to your PM. So from the morning, you have a mild cleanser, toner, serum, a lightweight moisturizer, and then SPF. Definitely don't forget your sunscreen. And then in the evening, you have a double cleanse, toner, a booster, a serum, and a moisturizer. Follow these steps to carry the glow from day to night. So I really love that they give you the actual steps and tell you how to do everything. So for example, double cleanse, tone, then you use a booster like an ampule, a serum, and then you end with the moisturizer. So it's always right here. You can always cut that off, save it somewhere for you to remember if you don't want to forget. But that is really neat that it's inside of the box. So down inside of here are going to be all of the products. This normally is a great way to get like a whole skincare routine in one box, saving a lot of money because it's all bundled together to save you guys some money. So that is awesome. I love their Vana boxes whenever they launch these. So I'm so glad I get to show you another one. So again, they package everything so well. It's all down in like a bubble wrap. So this kit comes with 7 different products, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what these are. I do see at least one of these that I'm currently using and I really, really like. So this will be the first item I'm going to show you right here. This would actually be the first step of this skincare regimen. This is the cleansing gel. It's Black Rice Moisture 5.5 Soft Cleansing Gel, unscented, 100 ml. And I love this brand. And I don't know if I've used a cleansing gel, so I'm really, really excited. I love this brand's packaging, how it has like the ombre effect to it, where it goes to like a light pink to like even like a dark burgundy-ish, blackish kind of like purple color. I really, really love their packaging. So again, this is the Black Rice Moisture Cleansing Gel. And how to use: squeeze out an adequate amount, lather well between damp hands, gently massage into the skin in circular motions, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. So very, very simple and easy, like a normal cleanser. Use this first and you will have a nice clean face. And again, I love this brand, so I'm so excited to try that out. Then next up, you will have your second step in this routine, and this is the Rice Toner. And that's what the packaging right there looks like. This is a 150 ml. So after you have your nice cleansed skin, you go in with your toner. You just use either your cotton round. You can even dabble it on your hands and just pat it in with your hands so you're not having to use anything. I've been using my hands so I don't have to like keep washing my reusable rounds. Plus my hands are always so clean because I'm right out of the shower that I just do a little dab on my hands and just press it into my skin. So this is what this one looks like. It's nice and white, like a milky color. It is a rice toner. I'm From Rice Toner contains rice harvested in Korea. The rice extracts will make skin soft. Ooh, nice. So it just says shake and mix before use. Apply all over face with a cotton pad or pat gently for better absorption with fingertips. So there's that. I will just pour it in my hands and tap it into my face and be nice and toned. All right, so up next we have, and I love iUnic. I love all of their products. This is a Centella Calming AC Spot. Hold on, there's a barcode over the next word. Spot Cream. Intensive care for problem areas. So you have this to go for problematic spots. Let's see how you use it. Spread an appropriate amount of this product on acne or problem areas. So again, just using it in the areas that you need it. And let me show you what it looks like on the inside. I do end up getting some blemishes from time to time, normally when my monthly situation is coming to town. So I love to have products to help get those pesky things to go away quicker. So this is what this one looks like. I really like the calming aspects of their products, the iUnic. I have a few different calming creams. So if I'm outside and I get a lot of sun exposure, I like to use that just because it kind of helps calm my face down. And I really like it because then it doesn't make my face so red afterwards. So I can't wait to try this next time I get a blemish. But yeah, you just put it on your problem areas and let it dry and you'll be good to go and it'll help you out. So there is that. Again, I love that brand. So I'm so excited to try out a new product from them. All right, you guys. So now we're going to go with the Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream. 3 action retinol, 0.1%. And look at the packaging, how pretty that is with that dark purple. So you have that for your eye cream. It is an eye cream contained with retinol that takes care for various skin problems on the eye area and provides vitality and energy to the tired eyes. How to use. After washing the face in the evening, at the last step of skincare routine, take a proper amount and gently pat around the eyes or area where you feel concerned about wrinkles. So I guess it's good for wrinkle area as well to help you not get some. I mean, I'm only getting older, so I definitely want to start using wrinkle products now to start helping. So that is great that that's in there. So the next we have, and this is the one product that I'm using currently, and I absolutely love this stuff. This is the Deep Sea Pure Water Cream by Porito, and that is another one of my favorite brands. So let's get this out and I will show you the packaging. This one here, once I'm done cleansing and toning and using a serum or an ampule, whichever, the last thing that I do is put a moisturizer style on. I love a good deep cream, a water cream, that kind of thing. So this feels amazing and my skin is nice and soft the next morning. And it says apply a small amount of the cream on the face with fingertips. Let the cream absorb completely. And that's it. Simple and easy. Yeah, so you have this to put on your face at the last step and feel nice and moisturized in the morning. So I love that product. Next up we have is a porcelain base Skip Tone Up Beige SPF 50 plus PA+++++. It's really cute packaging. It sounds like it might have like a little color to it because it says Tone Up Beige. Let's see. There is a seal. Yes, it does have like a beige color to it. It almost looks like a foundation. So this might be a good one, like if you were to use it on your face maybe, but that's what that looks like. And then it just dries and then it'll just go, yeah, it'll blend right in, especially with my skin tone. It blended in perfectly. Directions and how to use. After basic skincare, apply an appropriate amount and gently spread along the skin's texture. It is a sun care tone-up cream that makes your skin look smooth and silky like a blurring effect is applied. Enjoy natural and clear base makeup without foundation. Okay, so this is not an actual sunscreen. It does have SPF, so that's a great thing to put on your face so then your face is protected. But you put it on like a primer type foundation to go underneath your makeup. So there's that. I will try it on my face and see what, if it gives me some nice little color. So we will try that and see how that is, but that is really neat. And I'm really glad that it does have the SPF in it. So you are protecting your face when you go out for the day. So then next, this one is going to be probably just an actual sun cream then. This is Airy Sun Stick Soothing Bar, and it's an SPF 50 plus, water resistant, 80 minutes. And let's see what this looks like. This is the last product in here. Yep. Okay. So I think I have used this one before as well. I think this is a really unique packaging because it's kind of like a deodorant stick. So you just pull this up and there is the actual product. You twist it up as you need it, just like a deodorant, and you can just roll this on. You don't have, well, you don't roll it on, you just glide it across your skin. And I just love the way that it is, just how it's applied. You're not touching anything. It's not like a white liquid or anything. It just blends in perfectly, and you just use it to apply wherever you need it. You can use it on the top of your hands, the top of your arms, your face, your neck, just in like a smaller area. This is great to leave like in your purse, your car, your gym bag, if your kids do sports, that kind of thing, to protect you and their skin. Definitely. But I love this type of a concept because of the application. It just makes it super, super easy. So that is everything for this new Vana box, you guys. You have this unique style of a sun cream. You have like a primer that has some color to it with SPF as well. You have your deep sea water cream. There's the toner. There is the eye cream. You have a problematic little spot check for acne. And then there is the face cleanser. Okay, you guys. So now again, that is everything for this specific Vana box. What do you think of the products inside? What do you think of like the little regimen that they created to save you guys money in this set? Definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. I love all these products. I've used this one. I love this one. Same with this. I love a good toner and a good cleanser. So I'm loving the variety of products that they did put in this new kit. It's like a whole little routine, saving you money. You get to try out a lot of different products, and I love that. So I will have them all linked down below if you want to go check out all of their amazing products or this specific Vana box. It'll be listed down below, and INF10 SheCrafty will save you that 10 to 15% off. If you ever forget or you want to check out that or any of my other discount codes, things about me, my animals, you can always go to my website, SheCrafty.com, and you can see everything in one convenient place for you guys. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.